Welcome back on Easy Doge. So this is a free Doge coin mining faucet, and I shared a live withdrawal video not long ago, and it looks like I have already received the withdrawal. Alright, and by the way, if you're not already farming free Doge using this platform, I'll leave you the link to the tutorial I made on how to register and start earning Doge after every 1 hour, so you can watch to catch up. So by the way, different ways to earn here include clicking on ready to claim after every 1 hour, then solving a captcha. You click on ready to claim and you receive a random amount depending on your level. Other ways here include surveys and short links, and also through affiliates by sharing your referral link to people so they can register and you earn commissions as they use the platform. So let's click on menu here, click on wallet. So this is where you find our withdrawal history, and I've just made one withdrawal from the platform. Minimum withdrawal threshold is 5 Doge. I withdrew 7.2 and the withdrawal status is showing completed. So if you check the live withdrawal video I made, the status as at then was pending, right? And then I went on ahead to upload the video, and now I need to do this follow-up to show you guys that yes, I am no longer in doubt. The platform is actually confirmed legit. Let's go over to my wallet where I withdrew it to. So this is Bybit. So let's click on notifications at the top right here, system notifications, and this right here, deposit confirmed 7.2. So as you can rightly see, 7.2 Doge succeeded. That's the amount I requested, and it has been received on my wallet. So this goes on to prove that the platform is actually very much paying. So if you want to try it out, you go do so. So I'll be leaving you my referral link in the pinned comment of this video, and it's on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you'll be taken to the registration page. All right, to sign up accordingly, verify your email address, and you're well on your way to go. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.